We are the Yardists. We take boring, mundane yards and transform them into livable works of art. Our mission? To inspire life outside.
We're tearing out this old one, putting in a new one. It's basically the same shape is going to be there, but just improved. So we're taking out all this rock. We're using a lot of it, getting some better rock to bring in. And basin will be here. We'll have main falls coming towards the house that way, pull up a little bit, fall this way, and then into the basin kind of like that, so you can see it from everywhere, whether you're looking out the window or hanging out here. So it's basically demo today, take it all out, start afresh.
Karate Kid. Oh man, I might actually fall over. Wow.
All right, well done, man.
Almost died.
All right, so we got a lot of this demoed, cleared out, and it is time to start preparing for this water feature going in. We got a nice 12-foot Babylon Brook using a lot of the same rocks that were here, but also gonna bring in maybe a couple extras to really tie it all in. It's gonna be a nice, 2 to 3 at the most cascading falls, some pooling areas. What I love about this project is we got some plants and a tree going in with some shrubs and some mulch. So we're gonna take it from start to finish, from water feature to landscape. We already got some of the hard work done by getting this thing demoed, already looking better. So right here, we have our basin for the pond that's going in. We're using 4 small aqua blocks because we've got a 12-foot stream going in there. It is what it takes to help sustain this water feature. Got this lined out, spray painted. We just got to get these aqua blocks together, put in underlayment, liner, and our basin is complete, and then we're ready to rock this stream.
First fall is going to be somewhere in here, like this. And that's going to have a little pooling area here. And then somehow in this area, another falls. I think the last one we want more facing the patio. Right into the basin, then boom, plants all around. It's gonna be glorious.
Ooh, that's a nice spring rock.
That is nice.
It's a beautiful spring rock.
That's a beautiful thing.
Maybe even a spillway rock.
That might even be a spillway rock.
That might even be a spillway rock. We like our rocks.
We love rocks.
Very close. Hungry?
So hungry. All right, we're 90% done, which means there's 10% left, which is a lot. It's a lot more than it sounds like. We got it running. We just need to tweak some of the falls a little bit, touch up all the edges, get the plants in, mulch, just all the pretty stuff, the icing on the cake, and then we'll be good. I think it looks all right. I've seen worse, as Marshall likes to say. No, it looks good. It looks really good. See for yourself.
And we are finished. Ethan and his crew did an amazing job. This 12-foot stream turned out awesome, has the twists and turns, looking extremely natural. I love how we're able to incorporate the mulch and plants around it. If you like things like this, please come back, like, subscribe. We got content like this coming out all the time. See you on the next one.